Welcome back to another episode. Today we went to Ikea with my sister to pick some stuff up for her apartment. Wasn't really necessary because she could have done that alone too, but doesn't really matter. And then we're also sending off. I've also sent off the video, the final event video with all the interview stuff, with now the correct music, since I've actually finally gotten that licensed music from them, and now it's done. So that's the timeline right there, as you can tell. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, everybody. I guess stay hydrated, and I'll see you in tomorrow's episode again. Peace.